popping, everybody? We are back getting to it. I've been slacking this week on recording just because I had a lot of shit going on. It was my birthday last week, my mom's birthday this week, so man, it's just been back to back doing shit. But that don't mean shit. It's Friday, so I'm gonna finish the week off strong, right? We ain't slowing down. And honestly, this week I've been doing better with my nutrition because last week I just had to hell with it. I was doing whatever the fuck I wanted. But this week, I've been shit. It's been turkey and broccoli damn near all day. I've been sleeping on the turkey, guys. Like fucking, I got 1% fat turkey. That shit is crazy. I didn't even know they made that shit. Like they didn't do that with ground beef. I can't ever find anything leaner than 93% ground beef. So I'm like, let me try to find some, or 7% fat ground beef, right? And I'm feeling pretty fucking good. Man, yesterday I barbell squatted for the first time in like almost 2 months now, and I swear to God, I almost tore my fucking, there's like this, whatever the fuck is right here. Not my bicep or my shoulder, but it was like something right here where I almost tore. It was my last set, luckily, but in my last rep where I really started feeling it. It must have been like the position my hands was in, because I haven't done it in 2 months, so I just like, you're a little rusty and shit. So now, man, I'm gonna get back to squatting. I'm gonna get back to doing some of these bigger lifts just because I just love doing them, you know? So I'm like, and it makes me want to go train and go a little bit harder, you know? So I'm gonna just get them back into my routine and see what the fuck I can get from it. But right now, I'm gonna do some dumbbell pressing, incline, see what the fuck we got from it, all right? I'm getting back to heavier weights too, just because 2 months of not going that heavy, I'm like, it's about my fucking time, y'all. I got sick of this lighter weight shit. It's not that I'm already doing my cardio on the side. It's just I just like lifting heavy ass weight. So this first set ain't gonna be that crazy, but I don't know what I'm gonna get here. But I think my last 2 sets I for sure want to just be hitting like 8, something like that, maybe. Let's see what the fuck we get. Come on. We're gonna have it for the next one. Let's see what the fuck we get. I jumped up 10. Wait. Yeah, I jumped up 10 pounds. Let's see how this next set goes. We was at 70 for the other one. We're up at 80. Let's see how this shit feels, y'all. Again, going heavier is about to feel fucking great. Still got 10 of those whores. That felt fucking good too. Let's jump on up and see what the fuck we get out the next one. Come on. Moving up 5 pounders on this bitch. Let's see what the fuck we get. I got a good little warm up. Again, 5-minute warm ups is really all we need. I walk every time before I work out too, just to get some blood flow going everywhere. 10 minutes before, but hold on. We used to better drop. Gotta get this shit going. Come on. Man, I feel like I could have got another one, but that last rep, I just kind of came down weird, awkward as fuck. Let's see how the next one goes. I got the towel on, so you know it's getting serious in this bitch. Oh, let's see. Okay, I'll take it. 6 of them horns. Let's go. Set one. I'm doing some light shoulder presses today because I don't know, I'm still a little concerned about what the fuck was going on here and all that. So, light shoulder presses, going for 3 sets of this shit. It's more of a chest focused day today, so.
This is crazy.
Probably could have got another one, but like the way I went down on that shit, I was like, yup, nope. My body said, hell no, to the no. Okay, let's keep it going. Moving on. Ooh, set 2 in this bitch. Come on. Yeah, no, I mean, I definitely skipped out on the Arnold presses just because, I'm not trying to risk it for shit, y'all. Like, man, if y'all would have felt that, what I felt yesterday, oh man, I would have been like, oh, hell no. And that's me right now. Yeah. See? That was a clean 15 right there, so 1 more of those. Yeah, I'm feeling all right, y'all. I'm not at 100%, but hey, I'm still in this bitch getting to it. I keep giving myself good breaks here because I'm still, man, I shouldn't have, I could have took a rest there, but I mean, I'm feeling like, my shoulder's feeling like 8 out of 10 all right, so it's 7 out of 10, so that's why, if it's like 5 out of 10, then that's fucked, but I'm cooling it, Let's see what the last hit is, see what we get. Ugh. Yo, I felt that in my fucking legs. Jesus Christ. Quad just getting fired up. Woo, that's how you know you're doing it right though. You feel it everywhere in this bitch. All right, let's get it. You know, I'm gonna finish off with tricep extensions again. I'm doing this bigger muscle groups first. And honestly, chest fly, I fucking love these, yo. This is like, I know I said it before, but this is one of my favorites just because you really, I mean, personally, I feel this like on the dot. Like no other exercise for my chest here, so let's see what we got. Woo. Oh yeah. Woo. I think I got 14. Again, I'm shitty at counting, but hey, I'm putting in some work, that's what matters. I upped the weight and I lowered the angle because I want to hit a little bit more on my mid to maybe upper chest. I'm gonna see what this one's feeling like. That last one was feeling fucking great. So, let's go. Woo! Boom. 12 of those whores, and that felt 10 out of 10. Like, oh, the biddies were on fire right there. Actually, you know, it went from being a shitty day to now I'm feeling fucking great. I just generally like hitting fucking chest when chest flies. So it's like, these always get me going. Let's see what we got, come on. Keep my weight there where it's at, and the angle, I like this angle for sure. Okay. Damn, that one got me going. My heart rate at. Damn. That was a good one. Let's keep it going. Gotta get a move on to some fucking tricep extensions. So let's see what we got. Whew. 12 of those whores was good enough. Let's keep it going. Next exercise. Getting to these tricep push downs. Y'all know the drill. These easy bar ones are the way to go for a bit. Let's see what the fuck we get out of it, bro. What's up, right? All right, let's see this shit. My triceps feeling pretty damn good after that break, because you know, every time I go from like chest presses to shoulder presses, then all of a sudden the tricep push downs, my triceps are cooked as fuck. But now that I did chest flies before that, my triceps is ready to go. So let's see what we got. Yeah, I'm calling it at 17. Like, I don't need that much fucking reps. I'm jumping the fuck up. Feeling that last set was feeling too damn good. Let's see what the fuck we get right here. See, I still got 16 of those. Like, fuck that. I'm jumping up even more. I think I might be forced to this shit too, because them triceps are going. They're going. Set 3. I didn't take too long to break there just because my triceps feel too fucking good. So let's go. Let's go. I went up 10. Yeah, I lied though. I'm only doing 3 of that because I'd rather go do some chest presses. You know, it's a chest focus day, so let's do this shit. All right. Yeah, moving on to these chest presses. Probably my favorite machine right here because if you don't feel it, then it's probably not the one for you. All right, so let's see what we got.
This is crazy.
That's how we do it. Set 1 in the books. Oh, that first one felt good. Let's see what we get out of this. Actually, I should have counted. I'm going to go back and review. I didn't even fucking count. Let's see what we get. Not even a full 10, but it felt great. Oh, that was fucked. I'm going to chalk that up. I might have to just do 3 sets of this shit. Might be the last set. We'll see how this one goes. Ugh, come on, come on, come on. Damn. Yeah, I'm still taking it easy today, but that shit is rough as a murasuka. One last sip. Alright, let's just do this shit. I'm gonna see whatever the fuck I got. Try to get this shit over with. And then take too long of a break. I'll take it. We got 8. Let's go wrap this bitch up. We weren't able to use that other room for the pump check today, but hey, that's fine. Yeah, but this lighting still works pretty decently. That's all we need for today, everybody. Thank y'all for tapping the fuck in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm sure with your mama, auntie, dog, cat, lizard, whatever the fuck you got, y'all. I appreciate it like a motherfucker. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Adios.